This is zero-shot chain of thought, asking the model to think step by step without giving any examples. One simple trigger phrase makes it write out its reasoning before giving its final answer. A fruit stand starts with 23 apples, sells 9 in the morning, and receives 6 more that afternoon. How many now? We send a plain prompt, and the model instantly answers 29. Wrong. It jumped straight to one number, silently skipping the morning sale. One leap on a multi-step question fails. Now, same prompt, same apple question. The only change, one sentence appended at the end. Let's think step by step. No solved examples, no retraining. Watch the output change shape. A short stack of reasoning lines first, then a single final answer line. We'll walk through the arithmetic in a moment. Here's the flow. The prompt is just 2 parts, the question you want answered, plus the trigger phrase. The model writes its reasoning chain step by step. Each step becomes context for the next. The final answer is extracted from that chain. The final answer is read from the end of the reasoning chain, cued by therefore, the answer is. Remember, no model weights change. The effect is temporary, only for this call. Now let's run the problem in full, one step at a time. Step 1. The stand starts with 23 apples. Step 2. 23 minus 9 leaves 14. Step 3. 14 plus the 6 delivered makes 20. So the final answer is 20. Now compare that with the jumped answer, 29. The written steps show exactly where that leap went wrong. So when does the trigger help? On multi-step questions, thinking step by step turns a wrong jump into the right answer. But on a trivial one, the stand has 23 apples. How many? It only burns tokens and time. Remember, confident chains can still be wrong. Steps raise the odds, not guarantees. To recap, just append let's think step by step to the unchanged question, and the model writes its steps before answering. Reach for it on multi-step problems, despite extra tokens and fallible steps. Remember the chain: question, trigger, steps, answer.